Now, the job of the delimitation is to take the baseline of the population as a parameter. But if you take the baseline of population as a parameter, then definitely there would be injustice to those states which have controlled their population, because after India became independent, there was a lot of pressure by foreign countries on government to popularize what are known as family planning and later which were called family welfare programs. And during our right from our childhood, we were hearing all those type of things of small families, triangular families, that hum do hamare do and all that. And there was an obsession with this controlling population. And suddenly in this century, during present decade, which began from 2000, uh, 2000 2020, we suddenly started hearing, the new slogans like it is a democratic dividend and all that. So why it didn't occur to people that definitely in those years also India was a young country with more youngsters in the young age group, and that time also it was a democratic dividend, because our age pyramid was definitely reflecting more younger population as compared to countries now which are having majority population represented in as senior citizens like Japan, due to higher life expectancy and falling birth rates. So in 2026 there would be a conflict, there would be a contradiction, because in most of the southern Indian states like Kerala, in Tamil Nadu, in Karnataka, in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, then Goa, Maharashtra, then these states have really taken measures to control the population of various linguistic groups, ethnic communities, and all that. And it has been successful, and we see the population growth rate is much less as compared to the Indo-Gangetic plains, the most populated and highly densely populated states, right from Punjab to Bihar and West Bengal. We see that not much population control has been exercised. The family size is still very large. And that is a disadvantageous when the delimitation commission would be considering criteria like population to delimit and demarcate the constituencies and allot the higher number of constituencies in proportion to the population. In that case, there is likely to be a regional imbalance, and definitely the states which have higher population may be able to send larger number of MPs to the 19th Lok Sabha and so on. So I think this is going to be a very contentious issue in 2029 Lok Sabha elections to elect 19th Lok Sabha. Let us see how these issues get resolved by the political leadership and the judiciary as well, if it reaches the court, and if a new constitutional amendment would be necessary to strike a balance between population and representation.